Oyinhloko yamajaji e-Eastern Cape bekungokuqala ukuthi aziphendulele kulesi sigcawu kuzinsolo anindwa ngazo. Ukuphikile ukuthi ngomhla ka-15 kuLwezi wathumela isithombe sesitho sakhe sangasese ku-Andiswa Mengo.
Nothing of the sort happened, and yet this has brought much pain. I do not mind being accused of things I did, but not things that I did not do.
Uthi ngalolu suku akakaze akhulumisane noMengo.
On 15 November 2022, from the time I arrived in my chambers around 9 until I left around noon, I had no interaction whatsoever with Ms. Mengo. I say that under oath. I had no interaction with Ms. Mengo on the 15th. The only time I interacted with Ms. Mengo on the 14th is what is common cause from her complaint and what I have said in answer thereto.
Uthi lona umkhankaso nje wokudicilela phansi igama lakhe.
I look at it as a campaign to shame me. It is lies. It never happened. The complainant knows, much as I do, that it never took place.
Uvumile ukuthi akekho umsulwa, kodwa ke uthi angeke avuma ukuthi abhecwe ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
In the midst of media attacks, being labeled as a sex pest and all that, I've had to find myself.
What did you find? Did you find a perfect person?
Well, I was just going to deal with that. No one under the sun is perfect.
Isiccawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.